The Doñana Nature Reserve covers over 1,000 square kilometers of Spain's southern Atlantic coast, and it hosts unique biodiversity and ecosystems, which led to its declaration as a World Heritage Site and Biosphere Reserve. Our model species is the Retuerta horse, possibly one of the oldest horse breeds in Europe. Assessing the spatial distribution of animal species and the reason behind those patterns are ecological questions that may also affect human activities, conservation efforts, and control of epidemics. Biologging consists of remote data collection from free-ranging animals using attached electronic devices. It's a popular option because it provides valuable information on the animal's movements, but it presents some challenges, such as recovering the data from the tags, since recapturing an individual is always problematic. Therefore, the possibility of collecting the data remotely represents an important improvement. As part of the Planet project, we developed a system based on the combined use of 3 types of data collection stations. First, we marked the horses with collars based on Prospex 5 hardware platforms, including GPS and accelerometers with a radio to upload data to the base stations, and flash memory for local data storage. We placed fixed data collection stations on towers scattered around Doñana Nature Reserve, in areas frequented by the animals, listening continuously for data packets. A base station is essentially a Prospex 5 board connected to a Raspberry Pi board, which in turn connects to an Ethernet port. It receives the data packets from the collars. The data collected by the base stations can be accessed remotely through the internet by connecting to the local network. The second system consists of mobile stations installed on unmanned aerial systems, or UAS. The UAS flew over some areas in Doñana where the horses were expected to be, and successfully managed to collect data from the nodes on the horses. On the flights, we were able to gather information from several horse collars. UAS can also transmit real-time video that enables observation of the animals to determine whether they are alive, have foals, or are part of a group. Cameras on the UAS can also be used to create high-resolution mosaics of the horse's habitat. The third system involves mobile stations installed on unmanned ground vehicles, or UGV, for data recovery from a group of free-ranging horses. In this experiment, horse sensor data is collected using Planet Framework. The data collection station is integrated in the UGV platform to collect data by driving within range of the horses wearing collars. UGV position and motion are tracked and recorded together with the horse's data. This image shows the reconstruction of the UGV's path towards the horses. UAS and UGV mobile stations that allow close-range data recovery are specially interesting for use in areas where there is not coverage by other means of data transmission. With biologged species that are difficult to recapture for direct data downloading, and for species whose small size constrains the use of heavy batteries, since close-range data gathering requires less power. With these Planet experiments, we demonstrated that it is possible to successfully combine fixed and mobile data collection stations for gathering data from biologged animals.